Hello everybody! Mabuhay! It's Sally here at Halo Cuisine. Today I will be making a snack. It's called potato cue. But this time I'm gonna make it like with a twist because I do not have a sweet potato. But what I'm going to use, I'm gonna use a sweet potato actually. I have quite plenty of potato in the house, so I'm gonna be experimenting today, so let's see how it goes. This is the ingredients that I'm gonna use. I already cut it. Here we go. That's the potato, and then we gonna use the skewers. And this one is desiccated coconut. I'm also gonna use the sugar. It's so difficult because I'm alone today, so I'm gonna try to do the video on my own. And then this is also optional. This is actually an Easter egg chocolate, so I am going to use this as a drizzle. Let's see how it goes today. We're gonna start cooking now. I already heat it at the pan. Oh yeah. Just cut them evenly. I will show you. Guys, I'm just going to turn over the potato. A little bit golden brown now. This is looking good. I will show you. So difficult. This is our first batch, and this will be our second one. And then I'm going to be starting making the our sauce, the chocolate, and then I'm going to try to put it into the skewers. And then we're gonna drizzle with coconut, desiccated coconut. Desiccated coconut. That's it. I can't pronounce this. Desiccated coconut. There you go. Guys, I'm gonna be adding now the sugar. I'm just gonna sprinkle it, and it should scatter into the pan. We'll just have to wait until the potato is coated, and then we're gonna turn it over. And by the way, this is the Ferrero collection chocolate, so that has been just sitting in the corner. Now it will be used. That's the chocolate. Now we're gonna melt it in a minute. Nice. So let's see how it goes now. Turn it over. So I'm just gonna add more sugar to the other side. And this potato is looking great. The sugar is caramelizing in the bottom. It really looks good. It looks golden brown. Oh, look at that. No, I couldn't find my sesame seed. I want to use the sesame seed, but I don't know why I cannot find it. I want to add sesame seed into this banana potato cube, just for the drizzle. Like this. Guys, our potato cube is already looking ready. I'm gonna show you the last look of my potato cube, and the sugar is already coated into the potato. That's it. I'm just going to transfer this to here. Guys, start na tayo Nagainit mo sa spirits. It's very hot. Pwede pala siyang maging banana cue. Potato cue. So, why not coconut? Ayan. Wala, pwede na ito ibenta. Good, see you know. I'm just gonna drizzle it with chocolate. Or maybe just here. And then the coconut. Voila. I can't show you guys. Hello everybody, our potato cue is ready to serve and eat. There you go. I will be showing you closer. And that's how it looks yummy. It's mouth-watering. Look at the chocolate from Ferrero Rocher that I melted and I drizzled into the potato cue with desiccated coconut. Guys, please try this at home. It's really nice and simple. It's delicious. And if you do not have coconut desiccated, don't you worry, sugar coated will do. Thank you guys for watching for the simple merienda or snack. It's called potato cue. It's very simple, but you can also make it at home. And we'll see you in my next video. See you soon. Bye. Last look. Yours. I can get over it. It looks very nice and it tastes yummy. Now let's try to eat. Hello everybody, I'm back again. This time we are going to be making Dalgona coffee. I was thinking that to have this coffee will be a very good combination with our potato cue. So this is the ingredients that we're gonna need. It's very simple. It's just a coffee. Here you go. Just have 1 spoon and 1 spoon of sugar and 2 spoons of water, warm water. We have a milk here, fresh milk, and then our ice cubes. So let's start making the Dalgona coffee. Let's start making the Dalgona coffee. There's the coffee. I'm just going to mix them all in this bowl. So that's the coffee. Our sugar. And then the water, warm water. And then we're just gonna mix this, guys. It's very quick and simple, and I never thought that this is gonna be that simple. There's the coffee, sugar, and the water. Now, some people, they are using a spoon or fork to make this coffee for me. But what I'm going to do to make it quicker, I'm going to be using that taste. Okay, can I use this? Guys, I finally have my Dalgona coffee foamy mixture. That's it. Now we're gonna pour this into the glass for us to drink. I'm happy with the result of this. Oh my god. Look at that. Very foamy. So what we're going to do, guys, our Dalgona coffee is ready to serve with our potato cue. It looks nice. Hello everybody, finally I made my Dalgona coffee. It wasn't perfect, but it still tastes good, and you should try this at home. It's really simple, and you would love it. Cheers! I finally made my Dalgona coffee. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon, and God bless, and ingat po kayong lahat. Thank you. Bye! Cheers! It's very foamy and sweet. Yummers! Thank you.